A pleasant Tuesday to all, May 18, 2021. Welcome po sa Tuesday edition in the stock market today. At welcome po sa lahat ng ating mga subscribers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtitiwala at pagsubaybay. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer who started to invest in the Philippine stock market in 2007. I do this report every day. At sinimulan ko po ito noong August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Converge po ang ating balita, yung kanyang first quarter 2021 financials at ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, May 18, 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Don't go away. From the business world, Converge income jumps to nearly 2 billion, targets to grow subscriber base to 1.7 million. Converge ICT Solutions, Inc. attributable net income for the first 3 months of the year nearly tripled to 1.55 billion from 573.60 million in the same period last year, owing primarily to an increase in subscribers as the pandemic crisis continues. Total revenues, which include contributions from residential and enterprise, increased 83.2% to 5.55 billion in the first quarter from 3.03 billion in the same period in 2020, the company said in a disclosure to the stock exchange on Monday. Broken down, revenue from residential business more than doubled to 4.8 billion from 2.29 billion, while the enterprise segment saw a slight increase to 2.2% to 750 million from 734 million previously. Converge said its residential subscribers increased to almost 1.2 million as of March 31 this year from 615,466 as of March 31, 2020. Converge captured 48% market share of fixed broadband net adds among the 3 largest broadband operators in the Philippines, representing an increase in fixed broadband market share from 19% in March 2020 to 27% in March 2021. The listed fiber internet provider said. The company also said around 95% of its new subscribers in the first quarter of the year were first-time fixed broadband users. Now, may I share with you the commentary of BDO Nomura on the same news item. Ang sabi ni BDO Nomura, we affirm our buy rating and target price of 24.40 for Converge following its solid first quarter 21 results, which met our expectations. We maintain our first quarter full year 22 forecast EPS growth of 64% and 47% respectively, as EBITDA, that's earnings before income taxes, depreciation, and amortization EBITDA. EBITDA margins are likely to moderate in succeeding quarters when its aggressive network rollout, the slated Vismin launch to second half 21 forecast translate to higher OPEX costs. Now, let's take a look at what happened to our Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Our index declined by 38.84 points to end at 6244.74. But it is a short green candlestick here, but it is a red item on the right side since the closing price of 6244.74 is lower than the previous or yesterday's closing price of 6283.58. Yun po. It is bearish. The RPSE is bearish because the RSI is at 37.75. If we'll take a look at the market summary, 139 companies declined, 70 advanced, while 50 companies remained unchanged. The all-share index also declined by 0.36%, while mining and the service sectors were the only sectors ending in the green, and this is led by services at 1.6. The rest, the financials, holding companies, and properties were in the red, and the decliners was led by properties at 1.34%. As for the most active stocks, we will be reviewing the following. Let's review the top 10 stocks. Dito, BDO, ASEN, TEL, SM, MBT, Converge, ICT. Let's also review MEG and Pure Gold. So let's now go to Dito. Dito, laging nasa top 10 ito, or most of the time it's top 10. Pero what happened now, it is bearish, no? Red candlestick, and the closing price is below our moving averages. And so it broke the previous support level. Nandito po yung previous support niya at 8.77. Na-break niya po yan. And the next support level is actually support level na po ito. Yung 7.08 is the support level. Actually, it bounced at that area or near that area earlier today when it reached a low at 720. So it is bearish, and the stock is already oversold because the RSI is 20.10. Pagka po yung relative strength index is below 30, oversold na po yung stock, meaning that anytime soon the prices may move upwards. Next, let's take a look at BDO. I think BDO, yes, nag-decline si BDO. If we will be drawing a Darvas box, in general, it is moving sideways, but the Darvas box would tell us where the range of movement of the stock is. The resistance, or the nearest resistance, is at 106.50, while the support is at 100.6 to 100.7. Nasa 102.50 na po ang BDO Unibank, and in general, it is moving sideways. The RSI is bearish at 42.15. Sideways to bearish po ang movement ni BDO. And then ASEN. ASEN also continues to move sideways. May earnings report siya. Yes, it is down 47. Well, it's up 47.55%. But the movement is sideways at 6.86. Because the RSI also confirms that at 45.07. And then TEL. Sana nag-recover si TEL. Okay, nag-recover nga siya because the closing price is now above our 20 and 50-day moving averages. In general, it is bullish. The RSI is already above 50, it's 54.65. So the trend for PLDT is bullish. With resistance, let's place it at the 100-day exponential moving average at 1,298 or 1298 po ang resistance ni TEL. And then SM. Okay, SM had a green candlestick. Looks like a recovery, but actually it is not. 927 is the closing price. It lost 3 pesos. Kasi ang comparison po dito sa right side, ito po, is against the previous day's closing price. So it lost 3 pesos because the closing price yesterday was at 930. Pero green candlestick to because the closing price today is higher than the opening price. Kaya green candlestick po ito. Ang earnings po nito, yes, it is, I'm sorry, SM pala, declined by 2.35%, I think, compared to the same quarter of last year. Yun po si SM rather. So the support level is here at 914.70. 914.50 to 915. And then after SM, MBT. Okay, MBT is now moving up. RSI is at 57.67, which is a bullish number. And the closing price of 45.95 is above our 20, 50, and 100 days exponential moving average. So the resistance is at 47.80. Yun po ang nearest resistance ni Metrobank. And then Converge. Tingin ko tumaas itong si Converge. Yes, tumaas siya. So it has been moving upwards, and tingnan niyo yung ating 20-day and 50-day exponential moving average. Pataas po yung kanyang movement, and it is bullish. Nag-show na rin yung 100-day exponential moving average, and pataas po yung kanyang movement with RSI at 59. It has reached the resistance area, and if it breaks that resistance area, the nearest next resistance level would be here at 20. 20 pesos po yung next resistance level based on one candlestick. Dito po sa February 15 candlestick. But that is very thin. Okay? Very thin po yung candlestick na yan, yung data na yan, kasi isa lang po yung data. So, most probably, yan po ang magiging resistance. But I may be wrong, of course. Next, let's take a look at ICT. I think ICT is also recovering. It is now consolidating. It ended with a green candlestick. And if you'll notice, yung ating moving averages, nasa baba siya ng mga candlestick after breaking out for 2 days on May 7 and on May 10. So it's 139.90, 1 peso 90 centavos up, but based on fundamental analysis, ang tunay na presyo niyan is 150. So malaki po yung upside. And if you'll take a look at the potential of the stock, talagang napakalaki. Oh. So ito yung pinaka-highest niya at 147. Pero based on fundamental analysis, 150 po yung stock. 147 po yung resistance niya dito. Based on historical values. And then, MEG. Okay, MEG had a recovery also, gaining 11 centavos, and it's slowly moving up. So sabi ko na dito, oversold po ito, no? And anytime pwedeng tumaas yung stock, totoo nga tumataas na po. And RSI is a good indicator kasi. RSI and volume are good indicators. So makikita po natin ay tumataas na po yung stock, but it is still bearish since our moving averages are still above the candlestick. In the meantime, resistance level, pinakamalapit po, let's place it here at 3 pesos and 20 centavos. And then after MEG, our last stock and one of my favorites, Pure Gold. Yan. After an oversold stock on May 14, Pure Gold begins to climb. And it gained 1 peso and 25 centavos. But it is still bearish since hindi pa siya under the candlestick or above the candlesticks pa po yung ating indicators. In the meantime, ang ating resistance level, pinakamalapit po, ilagay natin dito sa 3780. Ang nearest resistance level ni Pure Gold. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market May 18, Tuesday, 2021. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chiloro, reminding you, mag-ingat sa COVID at sa mga scams. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga subscribers at sa mga nais mag-subscribe na hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe po kayo. Maraming salamat and bye for now. God bless.